Hey, what's up, guys? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Check out this big repair that we've got in the shop right now. So this is a 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan SE. You can see. This is the dent we get to work on tomorrow. Woo! That's a big one, huh? Hey, what's up there, Tim? So take a look at the depth of this dent here. So, oof. Man, oh man, this is gonna be a good one. I'm excited. It's a perfect candidate for paintless dent repair. It's a big nasty dent in a nice new car. Real sharp dent here, as you can see, and the body line's all crushed in. This is gonna be an interesting one, that's for sure. So, I'm gonna try to get a bunch of this kind of dent out with a glue pulling originally. So, whoops. So I'm going to try to get out what we can with the glue pulling method, and then we're actually going to take the interior trim panel off here, and that'll allow us to get access to the backside. I took off what I could in the basically the estimating process. So on something like this that I'm not 100% sure on a brand new 2020 if I'm going to be able to get a tool to it. So I take apart kind of the minimal amount of stuff that I can to do like an inspection. So when you lift the lift gate up here, there is some access through the taillight ports, basically behind here. They have some little panels that you can remove, basically in order to allow you to change out the taillight bulbs very easily. So we went ahead and pulled them apart and actually took a look in there the best we could. Couldn't really determine 100% if we're going to have access to the backside, but we wrote it to basically pull off the interior trim panel just in case. So more than likely we're going to do that regardless, just to see for access. But anyways, then we're going to go and work out the damage and everything like that tomorrow. This is actually something to where this is actually really convenient for the customer. So they're actually she's actually going on a trip this weekend. So actually she dropped it off this evening, and we're going to have Friday to basically work on it all day, and then kind of probably do some final touches, finishing it up and whatnot on Monday. So we've got plenty more than enough time to work on it and everything like that. And the customer was going to be gone anyway, so it actually worked out to be absolutely perfect for him. We actually did do a pre-diagnostic scan like we do on all the vehicles when they come into the shop. Prior to doing any type of work on it, we actually run a scan tool, hook it up to the system, and read basically the computer diagnostic system. Basically because we are going to be taking off that trim panel, disconnecting some electrical components in order to do the repair. So we want to make sure that everything is safe and sound when we get done with the repair, that everything is coordinating and interacting correctly as it should for the vehicle. So we have to do that by actually hooking a scan tool up to it and take a look at the system, because there won't always be a check engine light essentially, or any type of warning light if something is not working. So hey, what's up, Ryan? Excited for the podcast tonight, man. So anyway, so this is kind of, just kind of giving you a heads up. This is what we're going to be working on tomorrow. So pretty excited for it. This is a pretty big, nasty, sharp dent on that body line. That's for sure. I mean, that is going to be a fun one. Like I said, man, I'm really excited though. So yeah. Got a nice crown and high spot up here. Basically, we call these eyebrows or crowns. So basically, the metal got hit so hard that it had nowhere to go, so it buckled upwards and pushed this all actually outwards. So you can see where it's actually sticking out right up on the top there. Yeah, it's going to be a good one. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this right away tomorrow morning. I'll be checking in kind of mid-repair, and then towards the end of it as well. So probably in a combination of these videos or any type of other thing on Instagram and other social platforms. So if you've got similar damage in this that you see that was shown here, actually I didn't even talk about what actually caused it. So the customer actually was hit by a shopping cart, the little motor that they put on him to push a big line of them, that actually ran into the back of her car, and that's what caused that damage. So that was like a row of shopping carts. So that was a big ordeal. Normally you get like a door ding from like one, but this was hit by a huge, big old whole bunch of them. So anyways, we're going to go and get started on the repair tomorrow. Like I said, we did the pre-scan. Everything turned out to be okay in the area that we're going to be working in. If you got any type of dent repairs that you're in need of, feel free to go ahead and give us a call, 605-250-1023. We've got a link to our all of our all of our contact info in the biography here, bio here. You click on any of those platforms. If you got any questions about this repair, as far as access or anything like that, we'll probably be able to answer them tomorrow. So if you got any questions or anything, leave them down in the comments. We'll be happy to answer them for you. You guys have a great night, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. So take care.